just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of one to serve a good bang. This for the diamond, hand for the friend. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you all. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A very good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes.
I might get these.
Out of control, baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of one that deserves good things. For the diamond, hand for the rings.
I got it. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me see. Yeah, cool.
I just need something to whip. You can go on, hold everything.
Let me see. I'm gonna go over there trying to help Kia out. Cause Kia, like,
I don't see nothing else.
so this is not cute for work.
No. Girl, no. I don't even like to hurry. Say.
So that's cute.
I just wanna show you all you
So I was trying to look for some new Crocs so I could wear to work, but I don't see no colors. That's cute. I don't see no colors that I want, so I'm gonna wear my blacks, wear these to work, and take off the jimmies or jewels that put it on these, and wear these for like outside. Cause I don't know what other colors.
I like
I would get these, but my niece and my sister, they ugly. I like them.
they ugly.
And then I like these too, but they not my size. No, these are my size, but they don't like the side. Y'all don't like the side? I had to laugh. I couldn't even get mad. I know, right? I'm about to say, she done messing up the people's shoes.
I don't feel like
I gotta go through all this.
Just put your leg on your. Well, you know I got bad knees, so I can't bend it that bad. I don't know what to tell you.
Y'all stupid. You said you got bad knees. Now I gotta buy some jimmies for my work Crocs.
I wonder if they got some here. They might got some.
They might.
They might.
I'm gonna show mommy. I got them for cheaper, mom.
Somebody put the wrong sticker on it. That's
Oh, it is. That's $40.
they look too big or they okay?
No, turn around. Look cute, your little feet. Yeah. They look cute. Okay, you dancing?
Oh yeah. I like this.
They cute. I like them.
I like them tails.
You and Taylor, yeah. They said
that part.
y'all got the same style.
Yeah.
You want to look at that tall mirror, or you good?
What is all there? Oh.
So I'm looking for some work tennis shoes as well, and I kind of didn't want like canvas because I already have some tennis shoes like that, and when it rains or like when it was snowing, I couldn't wear them to work. So I might just have to find me some, I think some all black leather New Balance or something, just to wear to work because I don't see nothing. Like these will be okay, but again, they like canvas, so. I know, but I don't want that material because when it rains and stuff,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be
Feet will
wet.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's cool, but
It's not good.
I like this shirt and these pants, so I was gonna put this up like maybe tie a knot and But this shirt is... So I want to know if this is the right price. $104. I mean, it's cute though, but that cute. It's giving real Ace Ventura Miami vibes. It'd be cute for a nice summer night. This is beautiful.
We gotta be lit right now. Oh, you're the only one I see while the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up, I'll be pulling to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you rolled up, I'ma have to take a hit right now, right now. Baby, we can turn up.
Kids, show them your shirt last year you got for Black History Month from Target.
I don't know if you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're cute.
Yeah. The sweat. Yeah, so man.
Yeah, I like that.
Like
I want to get that. On sale, 30.
you like it?
Yeah, this is cute. I'm getting the full body. Yes.
Yep.
Give, ow, pose, and freeze. Okay.
That color growing on me is a nice color.
I like the cut. That's especially why I like it. I like the cut of it too.
Was it mahogany?
Mahogany.
I'm gonna say copper, brownish or something.
Yeah. Shouldn't what the girl? Get your eyes checked out. Okay. So just a yeah. Hit me.
Yeah. How many coats you need? Every time we go somewhere, you buy the coat.
All the Freeman masks are on sale. I have this one in the house. Look, that's not on sale. This one is on sale. Peel off. I'm gonna get that.
That's $1.09, right?
Yeah. Can you hand me that one? That's $1.09 too, right?
That's a scrub.
That's fine. That's $1.09.
Yeah, that's a gel mask though. I don't need no exfoliant.
This one down here is $1.05 too. That's probably for Taylor. It's a holographic peel off mask
You want to try any mask paints?
for the kids. We probably need to get a little cart now.
Yeah, I'll try it. Oh man, this is kind of nice.
Yeah, I can't beat that.
Yeah, I'm really gonna try this stuff.
Hey y'all, hey. Just getting back in from different stores we went to today. I don't think I said anything about my hair, but this is the yarn locks that I did last weekend in my hair. I have a tutorial of me installing these long locks. You can look at it right here if you are interested. But let me show y'all what I got. So Valentine's Day is coming up. I got this the other day. I didn't get it today. So I usually always get my niece something. Nothing major, but something for Valentine's Day. Oh, I got this little bag. And all this stuff is from the dollar store. Little bag. Chocolate. Oh. Little bar of soap that says love. Some more chocolate. And she loves hot chocolate, hot cocoa. So I got some marshmallows and brought this little container. They're like heart-shaped marshmallows. And I want to get her some cocoa, put it in here. And we were at the store today at Ulta. And she likes the Adriana Grande perfume. So I want to try to get that before Valentine's Day and put it in this bag. So I wanted to smell the perfume because everybody was saying that was a dupe for Leray. And it does smell good, so, and since she like it, I'll get it for her. Alright. I don't think I showed y'all too much vlogging in Ulta because I felt like the security guard was doing some racial profiling. And when I feel like people are following me or us around in the store, it really irritates me. It make me, usually I'll just walk out the store and not buy anything. But I didn't want to get too much. My sister wanted to go in there, so just got these two Freeman masks. They were on sale for $1.09, so why not get one? One of them is a, what is this? A clay mask and a scrub, and this one is a peel-off mask. $1.09, you can't beat it. So I got those two. Alright, so from Target, this is what I got from Target. I think this is the freaking cutest thing. It is a, what is it called? Nightstand cup. So, this part you can fill with water, juice, whatever you want to have in your cup. Close it, take it apart, and pour it in here. This is the cup part. I'm trying to, wait a minute, let me take it apart. Because I always keep a bottle of water, a cup of juice, something in my nightstand. Here we go. So you can fill this up with water, juice, whatever you want to. Pour it in here. Have a little swig and then close it. Have it by your nightstand. It looks so cute. So that's what this is. The cutest. Black History Month. So it's February. By the time you see this, it'll probably be over. So happy Black History Month. If you're not familiar, Target does a all black, I guess, history line, all black brands during Black History Month. And I got this. Come on in. This is the cutest, prettiest thing I ever seen. She is so beautiful. And this is just a journal. Love it. Cute.
Cute. Of course not together.
Right. Yeah. My sister got some Black History stuff too. It's so cute.
You know, I'm about to talk to
Okay. Then, Hello Hydration Shampoo. They were on sale for $1.99. So I got two of those. Oh, I'm dropping everything. Some Dial soap. This is the soap for my man. He likes hairy, so I got him Fig and Redwood. He liked that shower gel as well. Got myself a loofah and a small hand lotion to put in my pocket when I'm at work, because I wash my hands constantly and they get really dry. And I got another coat. I know my sister and my man, like, how many coats do you need every time you go somewhere? Like both of my sisters, you always buying a coat. But I couldn't, Nino! I couldn't resist this one. It was on sale for $38. And this is going to be my work coat. I have a work coat now, but it's all, I don't like it no more. So, I think I tried this on for y'all in the store, but come in. I like the color of it. It's so cute. And then the hood is not too big like my work coat now. The hood that I have is like this big, so I'm like, if it ain't funny, but if somebody walk up beside me, I can't even see you. They drag me down the alley. I wouldn't even know you was beside me because the hood's so freaking big. So at least with this one, I could see it coming. That's all. My sister's got a couple things, but that's all I got. I'm getting ready to do my niece's hair. Do I have my phone? Dang, I don't even have my phone on me. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of how I'm gonna do her hair, and then I'm gonna show y'all afterwards if I did it right. It's what's the little girl? What's the girl name? I'll call her Carly Ray. My niece said her name is Corley Ray. I don't know how you pronounce the young lady's name, but the little braids that she, I guess, got everybody doing, the jumbo braids with the curls at the end, that's what I'm gonna do on my niece. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Let's go downstairs. I forgot y'all to show y'all these, but I got these from Nordstrom's too. So I'm gonna take my jimmies off of here and put them on these, because these are the Crocs with the
what's wrong with whole roasted chicken?
The liner inside, and these aren't. So I'll use these for my work Crocs, and I'll use them for my outside.
Name stuff and everything I'm
So
naming.
freaking cute, and they weren't expensive at all. They were
What you got taste for? Start with that.
$30, $40.
I always eat chicken and steak, and that's
So this is the hairstyle that I got the inspiration to do my niece's hair. What's the girl name, Taylor? Corla Ray. And this is my niece's hair. Turn around. So she's going to sleep with these rods, and we just put them and dip them in hot water. Turn around, baby. And we'll get a picture of it tomorrow.